Want to start a business in 2025 but don't have much money? Here are 10 profitable ideas you can start with $100 or less. Stick around, I'll walk you through how to start each one. Idea 1. Print-on-demand online stores. Almost zero startup cost. You design shirts, mugs, hoodies, then upload to platforms like Printful. They print and ship, you collect the profit, set up your store, upload designs, and when someone buys, the POD company fulfills it. Typical profit could be $10 to $15 per shirt with no inventory risk. Use free tools like Canva to design. Sample products cost little or nothing. Your $100 could buy samples or a tiny ad test. Or you can start for free. Find a niche, dog lovers, gamers, entrepreneurs, test lots of designs without risk. Think beyond shirts, phone cases, posters, leggings. No stock headaches, focus on designs and marketing. Next up, freelancing. Idea 2, freelance services. Get paid for your skills. Write, design, edit video, or even manage spreadsheets. If you already have a laptop and internet, you can start today. Create free profiles on Fiverr and Upwork. These marketplaces have millions of buyers. Start with small gigs, then raise prices as you build a portfolio. Use $100 to boost your profile, buy a short course, or build a simple portfolio site. Small investments land bigger clients. Deliver great work, collect testimonials, and your hourly rate will climb, even into six figures. It starts with the first gig. Next, turn screen time into income. We'll talk social media management. Idea 3. Social media management. Get paid to scroll strategically. Every small business, coffee shops, dentists, needs a strong social presence. Most owners don't have the time or know-how. Create posts, schedule content, write captions, reply to comments and DMs. Run promos and giveaways to grow engagement. Charge monthly packages, $300, $500, even $1,000 a month for consistent results. Offer a free 1-week trial and show a before-after mock-up. Start free. Use Meta Business Suite, Buffer, Later, and Canva. Walk into local businesses and show what you can do. Turn screen time into profit. You understand trends and engagement. Next, a hands-on local business. You can start with basic supplies, cleaning. Idea 4. Local cleaning services. Low startup, high margins. People pay for peace of mind. You can be profitable from day one. Start with basic supplies, under $50 at a dollar store. All-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, disinfectant wipes, microfiber cloths, mop and bucket. Startup kit likely under $50. Your first client matters. Over-deliver and get referrals. Show dramatic before and after photos for social proof. Charge $25 to $50 an hour. One 4-hour job can be $100 to $200. Book weekly or bi-weekly clients for steady income. Hire help and build a local cleaning business or franchise it over time. Next, turn your crafts into cash on Etsy. Idea 5. Handmade crafts on Etsy. Turn hobbies into income. Knitting, painting, jewelry, candles. People pay for unique handmade goods. Set up an Etsy shop and use your smartphone for product photos. Natural light and styled photos sell better. If materials cost $2 for a bracelet, you can sell it for $15 to $20 after fees. Good packaging and a personal note increase repeat buyers. Reinvest profits, list more items, and respond to reviews. You can scale quickly. Start with 5 to 10 listings and iterate based on feedback. Make things you love and your customers will support your story. Next, affiliate marketing. Make money promoting products. Idea 6. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions promoting other people's products. You get a unique link that earns you a cut when someone buys. Your job, get that link in front of people. Use blogs, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Create helpful content and recommend products. It's simple, but trust takes time. Use $100 for a domain and hosting or a small ad test to boost your best content. This builds slowly but can pay you for years. Make honest, helpful reviews. That's how you build trust and clicks. Next, dropshipping, another no inventory e-commerce play. Idea 7, dropshipping. Run a store without inventory. Build a Shopify store, list supplier products, and the supplier ships directly to customers. Expect 30 months for Shopify. $100 gives you initial runway and small ad tests. Find $3 to $10 items, sell them for $20 to $50. Marketing is where the work is. Test creatives and scale winning ads. Use your $100 ad budget to find one winning product. Many tests will fail. Treat it like a numbers game. Find one winner, reinvest profits into ads, and scale. Next, tutoring. Monetize your knowledge with little upfront cost. Idea 8, online tutoring. Teach what you know to students worldwide. Math, science, languages, music, or coding. There's demand. All you need is a webcam and internet. $100 can buy a quality mic or tablet. Use Zoom or Google Meet and free scheduling tools. Start with your network, local groups, and platforms like Chegg or Wisont. Create a clear profile showing results and pricing. Tutors can charge $20 up to $100+ per hour depending on expertise. A few steady students a week becomes reliable income. It's rewarding work. You help people and earn well. Next, pet services. Idea 9, pet sitting and dog walking. A fun, low-cost business. Owners will pay to keep their pets happy and safe. Starter items, good shoes and poop bags, that's it. Use $100 for business cards, flyers, and local listings. Or create free profiles on Rover and Wag to get bookings. Send cute photo updates and build trust. Owners will refer you. Charge $15 to $25 for a 30-minute walk. Pet sitting pays even more per night. Flexible hours and repeat bookings make this a steady side income. Do a great job and the bookings keep coming. Final idea coming up, lawn care and gardening services. Idea 10, lawn care and gardening. Simple, repeatable, profitable. A neat lawn dramatically improves curb appeal. Find a used mower for under $75. Buy gloves and a rake. Start from your trunk. Everything should fit in the trunk. Try the knock and mow strategy. Offer to mow for $40 to $50 on the spot. Leave simple flyers at next door houses. Sign clients for weekly or bi-weekly service. Build a route for predictable income. Offer weeding, planting, hedge trimming, and fall cleanup to boost revenue. Reinvest to upgrade equipment, hire help, and scale your business. Start with one lawn. It could become your neighborhood empire. Quick recap. 1. Print on demand. 2. Freelance services. 3. Social media management. 4. Cleaning. 5. Handmade on Etsy. 1. Affiliate marketing. 7. Dropshipping. 8. Tutoring. 9. Pet sitting. 10. Lawn care. You don't need tons of money or experience. You need action and consistency. Pick one idea, take one small step this week. Small wins compound. Start now. Which idea do you like most? Comment below. I read everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more business ideas every week. Check the playlist for step-by-step guides on each of these ideas. 3 quick steps. 1. Pick an idea. 2. Spend 1 hour researching. 3. Take a paid step. List, post, or knock on a door. If you do one small thing today, you'll thank yourself later. I'll post deep dives on many of these. Let me know which you want first. Thanks for watching Idea Elevate. See you in the next video.